Hi there, friends. I'm meteorologist Jeff Hanowich, and we're going to start off this Appcast by talking about something that's happening in our sky. So attention sky watchers, this is for you. Right now you can see 3 planets in the sky, okay? You can see right now Mars, Uranus, and also Venus in the sky. You need to know though that this is a planetary parade of 5 planets. But here's a little catch to all this. In order to see all 5 planets, you have to get outside within about the first 30 minutes after sunset, okay? So this planetary parade or this planetary alignment, you can see 5 planets for about 30 to 35 minutes after sunset. And at that point in time, you can see Mars, Uranus, Venus, Jupiter, and also Mercury. But about 30 to 35 minutes after sunset, Jupiter and Mercury fall below the horizon, will no longer be visible, okay? Here's the good news. If you missed it tonight, you can see it again tomorrow night. As a matter of fact, tomorrow night is kind of the peak of this planetary parade. And now, if you're looking out to the sky, of course, you're going to see the moon. And right next to the moon, you're going to have Mars. You're also going to have Uranus, Venus, also Jupiter and Mercury. But Mars, Venus, and Jupiter are going to be bigger in the sky, okay? Uranus and also Mercury are going to be much smaller. But you need to know that if you see Venus, you'll probably see Uranus because they're right next to each other. And if you see Jupiter, you'll probably see Mercury because they're right next to each other. But the catch here is to see all 5 of these, you need to get out within about the first 30 to 35 minutes after sunset. Right now, at 10:02, if you were to go outside, you would see these 3, but you wouldn't see Jupiter and Mercury. What's also interesting, I was doing a little bit of research today, is Uranus is very, it doesn't show up much in our sky. It's so far away that it really has a hard time showing up in our sky. So to actually have a chance to see Uranus is actually a pretty good thing because it just doesn't happen all that often. So there's a look at what to watch out for after sunset for tomorrow. All righty, let's talk about the wind. Yes, today was another day where we had our fair share of wind. Nothing new there, right? Breaking news, it's windy. Happens all the time around here, it seems like, of late. Had gusts over 30 miles per hour in Roanoke, Covington, Hot Springs, Wytheville, Hillsville, and Galax. You had wind gusts right around 30 miles per hour in Blacksburg and also into Lexington. The winds were a little lighter the further east you went. For instance, in South Boston today, you had a gust of 17 miles per hour. So the winds in South Boston, not nearly what they were farther to the west. So what are the winds looking like right now? Well, they've weakened. Okay, the winds aren't nearly the factor that they once were earlier today. Right now we have a gust at 20 in Wytheville. We have a gust at about 18 miles per hour in Hot Springs. So overall the winds have weakened. The winds will not be as much of a factor for us tomorrow, but the winds also aren't going to be light, okay? The winds are going to be about 5 to 10 miles per hour, sustained gusting every now and again over about 15, maybe 20 miles per hour. So the winds tomorrow, not as strong as today, but it's not like they're going to be, not moving, okay? We're still going to have a little bit of a breeze out there for us tomorrow. Winds will be a little bit stronger once again tomorrow in the mountains than they will be towards the Piedmont. Again, mountains could have gusts 15 to 20 miles per hour heading into our Tuesday. We did have a few isolated showers earlier today. Those have since fizzled away and moved to the east. And you'll notice as we look at areas just say north of Norfolk, you've got a couple showers, maybe even a stray storm. That was once what pushed through here earlier today. But again, right now we're dry. The bulk of the rain and snow up in areas north of us towards New England. As far as what we're tracking here, tomorrow during the day, for the most part, we're pretty dry, all right? So Tuesday is going to be a day where we see more clouds than sunshine, all right? We are going to see more clouds tomorrow than what we had outside today. And we're also going to have a chance for some scattered showers come tomorrow night. We're going to see maybe a couple of showers here before the sun goes down tomorrow, especially in areas south of 460. But a better chance for rain will come in tomorrow evening into tomorrow night. But you need to know most of the energy is going to shift offshore and move offshore as we head into Wednesday. So Wednesday is going to be a day where we turn mainly sunny pretty quickly. Skies clear out quickly for us late Tuesday night into early Wednesday. But here's the deal. Tuesday, Wednesday, we're fairly cool. Okay, we're going to have highs Tuesday, Wednesday in the lower 60s. That's right about where we should be for this time of year. Then as we look into the future, Our next bout of rain after tomorrow night will come late Friday night into midday Saturday, and that is with a low pressure system and an associated cold front. So again, our chance for more widespread rain perhaps even increases a little bit as we head late Friday night into Saturday morning. So passing showers, even some wind will be in the forecast Friday p.m. through Saturday a.m. But here's the deal. By the time that storm system gets here, we're going to be much warmer. Okay, high temperatures on Friday, lower 70s, high temperatures by Saturday, middle 70s. However, behind this front, we are going to turn cooler as we head into Sunday and Monday. But we're falling from like the 70s Friday, Saturday into the 60s on Sunday and Monday. So cooler, yes, but it's not like we're falling from the 70s into the 30s and 40s. Right now it's 50 in Hot Springs, about 10 degrees warmer in Lexington at 60, 66 in Lynchburg, 68 Danville, 63 Roanoke, mid to upper 50s out across the New River Valley. Jet stream is going to be to the south of us for the most part as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday, which is among the reasons why we're going to be near average. We're going to be in the lower 60s. Certainly not cold for this time of year, but we've been pretty warm here of late, and the warmer air is going to retreat for the time being. However, the warm air comes right back into play as the jet stream lifts back up to the north as we head into Friday and Saturday. So, yes, we warm up by late week, but we're going to turn cooler Tuesday and Wednesday. As a matter of fact, Tuesday night and Wednesday night, we're looking at lows in the 30s everywhere. Patchy frost is possible for us here as we head to Tuesday night and Wednesday night. There's even the chance that some of us, especially in the mountains, have a little bit of a freeze. So overall, again, it is going to turn much cooler here as we head into Tuesday, Wednesday. Cold enough where frost will be possible Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, and then again Wednesday night into Thursday morning. And again, we could have a couple of folks hovering right around that 32-degree mark. I think in Roanoke and Lynchburg and in Danville and even into Lexington, your overnight lows are probably going to be 34 to 38. But once you get in those outlying areas in the mountains, those mountain valleys, that's where we could have those overnight lows in the lower 30s. And I would urge you, if you are at all worried about this colder air pushing in over the next couple of days, especially at night, to either cover your vegetation or plants and or bring them inside, okay? Frost can form when it's above freezing. So if you are at all concerned about anything that you've planted already, or if you have plants outside that you're at all worried about, bring them inside tomorrow. Don't leave them outside Tuesday night and Wednesday night. Overnight lows will be about 32 to 38 degrees, okay? Most of us will stay above freezing those 2 nights, but that doesn't mean that frost won't form. If you're concerned about your plants, bring them inside tomorrow and also on Wednesday. For tonight, just some scattered clouds around, otherwise pretty mild. Overnight lows for the most part in the 40s. 3-day zone-by-zone forecast showing that in the NRV, you're in the mid to upper 50s Tuesday, Wednesday, low to mid 60s on Thursday. In the highlands, you're going to have that chance for some rain late tomorrow into tomorrow night. You're going to see more sunshine Wednesday and Thursday. Warmest day in south side will be Thursday, where your temperatures will hit near 70. In Lynchburg, you will have the chance for rain Tuesday night, but you're going to be dry by the time you awaken Wednesday. Wednesday is going to quickly turn mainly sunny. We stay mainly sunny Thursday. A little more cloud cover Friday, but that chance for rain won't likely get in Friday until about 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So later Friday night into midday Saturday, we will have that chance for more rain. Drying out late Saturday. Sunday, we see more sunshine. Monday's mainly sunny, too. We drop from the low to mid 70s on Friday and Saturday in the Lynchburg area down into the 60s as we head into the latter part of the weekend into early next week. And the Roanoke forecast is similar to the Lynchburg forecast. Again, we see temperatures at their warmest Friday, Saturday, falling a little bit Sunday, Monday. Again, we will have that chance for some passing showers Tuesday night, seeing more sunshine Wednesday, Thursday. And then Friday night, we'll have more rain likely pushing in. Current time is 10:09 here on this Monday evening. Joining me is my good friend, Allie. Allie, are there any questions I can answer tonight, my friend? No questions? Yeah, it's coming. It's coming. Today, we actually, in some areas, hit the lower 80s. We are in the 70s and lower 80s today, so we're going to be about 15 to 17 degrees cooler tomorrow with highs in the lower 60s. But if you're not a fan of these seasonably cool temperatures, all you need to do is wait until Friday and Saturday. But the little caveat is, once we turn very warm again, we're going to have more clouds around and the chance for a little bit of rain. Just to explain what we're doing here, if you're new to these appcasts, we've been doing them for a little more than 2 months now. We do them every Monday night at 10 p.m. and every Friday night at 10 p.m. Kind of the rationale behind that is on Monday at 10 p.m. we can kind of give you a look ahead as to what you can expect for the rest of the work week. And on Friday nights, we're able to focus more on the weekend and help you plan out your weekend plans. But we also will do them as needed, Tuesday night, Wednesday night, and Thursday night, frankly. Since we started these about maybe 10 weeks ago, we've been doing them more times than not, even on Tuesday nights, Wednesday nights, and Thursday nights, because we've had some weather to talk about. For example, tomorrow around 10 p.m., we could start to see a little bit of rain. So Tuesday, tomorrow night, we'll probably be doing another one of these appcasts, just help you kind of track where the rain is going and when the rain will get out of here. Wednesday night, probably won't do an appcast because we're going to be dry and pretty sunny as we head into Thursday. So yes, tomorrow night we'll probably do another one of these appcasts at 10 p.m. Where to see these appcasts? There's 5 different ways to see them. You can watch them on Roku. You can watch them on the news and weather apps. You can see them on YouTube. And when it cooperates, also on Facebook Live. So those are the 5 ways that you are able to see these appcasts. All right, friends, it's 10:11. We'll be back here in a little bit more than 45 minutes from now with our 11 o'clock newscast. We do hope to see you then, but if we don't, I hope everybody has a great night, and we'll see you again real soon.